boy, that is miserable weather. There's no way I could do a selfie with a sunset behind me unless I was to fake it somehow. There's several ways to do it. You can Photoshop yourself with a sunset. You can fly somewhere where it's not pissing down with rain. Or you can use flashes and a backdrop and a custom-made gobo in a very creative way. So I'm going to go over and I'm just going to show you the setup, and then I'm going to tell you what I want to do with it. Right here is some cling film and some kind of lace type random pieces of lace material. It's about 3 to 5 inches from the end of a Gary Fong light sphere, which has been snooted with some felt. Inside there, the flash, there's some orange and reddish yellowy gels. I think there's 2 in there, and that provides kind of a cloudy orange yellow kind of atmosphere, like a sunset sky. Then over here is the sun itself. I have an orange gel, and I also have the orange front of another Gary Fong light sphere. And there's a gray, just a plain old gray background, okay? So we're going to turn this whole scene into a sunset shot. Hang on. Let's give it a shot. Now I've got this thing here set up on a timer, so I'm gonna do it right now, and I'm gonna try and make it look like I'm photographing the sun with this little camera. So here we go. Okay. This is live, people. No tricks here. Oh yeah, let's see. All right. This is what I just shot. There you go. You see the atmosphere behind me. You see the sun. And that was all on a gray backdrop. So that's how you fake a sunset with flashes.